Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show how to allow everyone to send you message requests on Instagram using the web version on your PC. If you've noticed that some people can't reach you, or you want to open up your inbox to new conversations, this setting is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Instagram. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines there. Click on those lines to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage different features. Now, inside Settings, find and click on Messages and Story Replies. This section controls who can contact you and how messages are handled. Next, click on Message Controls. This is where the important change happens. You'll see different options for who can send you messages or message requests. Look for the option labeled Who can send you message requests. Here, select Everyone. This setting allows anyone on Instagram, even people you don't follow, to send you message requests. Once you choose this option, your inbox becomes open to new conversations, but